Well, it's sunny today, but snow's forecast for tomorrow, so I thought I'd better cover the four-wheel camper. I got 11 by 16 white tarp. I made a pocket for the front end of the cabover, and I folded it and secured it with grommets. And so it's pretty simple, pretty cheap, and I'll show you how it works. It's pretty easy to slip it over the nose of the camper with two people, and not too bad with one person either. I use 3/16 bungee loops that are slipped over little screws along the bottom edge of the camper. I cut a flap over the door so it is easy to open the door for checking the battery and things like that. I also reinforced those sharp points at the top rear corners with duct tape on the bottom of the tarp. The extra material at the corners is just rolled up and held down with a bungee on each corner. So once you do that, it looks pretty nice and neat. Okay, this is our four-wheel camper with a snow cover or winter cover on. We really just use it when we expect a bunch of snow. And I'm going to show you the little pocket in the front is held together with a few grommets and tape. Kind of helps. I thread a cord around these so I can tighten it up, and it attaches with little hooks on the bottom. The back end looks pretty neat. It has a flap for the door, and again on this side they're just little bungees with screws on the bottom of the camper. As I mentioned, I used grommets to hold the front nose section together and to attach a few more bungee cords. If you're new to grommets, there's a 1-minute tutorial at the end that may help. Well, that's our winter cover or snow cover. I think it looks pretty good. It's easy to get in the back door when the cover's on, and it's been very durable for the past 3 years. The total cost was just over $60. I'll put links to the tarp, grommets, and bungees in the description below. Well, I hope this has been helpful. Please subscribe if you want to follow along. The next video will be on our solar install. Grommets are a great way to hold two pieces of tarp together or to make an attachment for a rope. I'll show you how that works. Get a piece of hardwood, a little cutting die to make a perfectly round circle. Little circle there. This is the base. You put the grommet, it holds the grommet that sticks up. Put a little washer-sized grommet over that, and then this thing closes the grommet. Very strong.